I'm Cheri with my girlfriend's quilt shop, and we're going to show you how to set up your Brother Stellaire 2 for embroidery. With your machine powered off, we're going to take off the flatbed attachment. There's a handle on the left side that you're going to reach in and just slide out. You're going to position the embroidery arm so it's ready to slide on. It should slide straight on, but once in a while you might need to lift your machine just a little. We're going to power on our machine, and then we're going to touch it to wake it up. It's going to warn us that our carriage of the embroidery unit will move away. Keep your hands away. Hit OK, and the embroidery arm slides to the left. Now we're going to install the embroidery foot. First of all, we're going to use our screwdriver to take off the sewing foot. And then we're going to put this back behind and over the screw. And then we're going to tighten it. Once that's done, we're going to come to the back and plug in the embroidery foot. From your home screen, select embroidery, and you're ready to start embroidering. We hope you have fun embroidering many projects on your Brother Stellaire 2.